Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Translate on PC. And in today's video, I will show you on how to use Google Translate on laptop. Let me show you how. Let's, for instance, I open up my Chrome browser right here, and then I want to come to the top right here and type in a particular website. Let's say I type in I love PDF.com and I hit enter. So here we go. You can see this particular website here, everything was written in English. However, if you do not understand English language, you want to translate to a possible understanding language, you can as well do it with the help of Google Translate. This will enable you to be able to navigate all around in the website. And for that, what you want to do right here is to come to the top right here and make sure you click on Google Translate this page with Google Translate. However, if you cannot find your Google Translate icon right here, just like you have it on my phone right here, you have to make sure you set up the customize. And for that, go ahead and click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab. Then come down to customize Chrome right here. Then this is going to open up. Then scroll down right here until you get to toolbar right here. Go ahead and click on toolbar. Then make sure you look for Google Translate right here. So you can see I've enabled it right here. So if I disable it, you can see it's no longer found right here. So what you need to do here is to simply click on here to enable it. Then you have your Google Translate right here. Now let's go back to the site right here. Now we want to make use of this Google Translate. What we want to do is to click on here. We have Google Translate. So the second language here is English language. Then we want to change it to another language that we understand. What we want to do is to click on these three dots right here. Then we can click on choose another language. Then here we go. So we have so many languages right here that we can simply translate. Let's say I want to change this page to Arabic. Select on Arabic and then go ahead and click on translate. And in a few seconds, everything here is going to be translated into Arabic, just like what you see right here. So if you click on any of the link right here, it open up like so. Then you can as well translate this page section right here to Arabic. Go back to Google Translate. Go ahead and click on Arabic and everything translates into Arabic in a few seconds. If you want to switch to a different language, you can as well do that using any with any website. You can use Google Translate all this stuff as the case. Now, let's say for instance we want to type copy text from one website to another, translate from one website to another, copy text here and there using your Google Translate. What we want to do here is to click on here and we'll make sure I'm going to close this tab. So what we want to do here is to create a new tab right here. Now, when you create a new tab, you need to log in with your Google account or your Gmail account. This will give you search history or work history on your Google Translate. So once you log in with your Google account, go ahead and make sure you click on this particular top right here, Google Apps. So when you click on Google Apps, then you have to make sure you scroll down right here and then make sure you look for Google Translate. After here we go. So Google Translate right here. Go ahead and click on it, and it will open up a page like this. Okay. Now here you have the text language right here, and then you can switch from different language and then it translates to other language right here. Then you can also use image. You have a screenshot that have with different kind of languages. Click on images and upload the screenshot. Then documents as well, such as Microsoft Word, PDF, and Excel sheet, and website page, and so let's go ahead and check on how we can translate text. So the detected language right here should be is English. Let's say for instance we want to translate this Arabic right here. So I'm going to highlight, then I will right click and copy the Arabic. Then I will come back to Google Translate right here. Now my detected language here is going to be Arabic, so I will click on here now. Then I'll make sure I will look for Arabic right here. Arabic, that's my detected language. Now I want to translate to English right here. So we have to choose our translation. So I'm going to click on here now. Then I'm going to go ahead and select English. Here we go. So you have to make sure you search. There are a lot of languages right here. So I'm looking at English. So well, we can make use of search right here and come back here. can make use of search English. So we have English right here. Now my translation is now English. And I'll come back to my detected language right here, so which is already in Arabic. The next thing I'm going to do here is to paste the text right there. I'll press Ctrl V. Now I paste the text, instantly it translates into English language right here, just like what you see right there. So we can copy the translation, we can as well search the translation, search with Google, we can as well give a rating, we can as well share the translation into another platform, maybe on Google or maybe on WhatsApp, Gmail, etc. It's that simple. So here we can also change our detected language right here. So we can use image right here. So you click on image, then click on upload or drag and drop your image right here, or better still, click on browse your file. So when you click on browse your file, this way bring up your file. So let's say for instance, this particular image right here, I want to upload. However, this image here is English. So I'm going to select on it and open it. So it is English language, just like what you see right here. This is the original image. Everything here was written in English language. But my translation language here has been chosen to be Spanish. So for that, so I can decide to go ahead and click on See Original. Here we go. Now I have the original to be English, automatically translated into Spanish. So we can also change the language right here from Spanish to another one. Let's take a look at this. Now, in a few seconds, it's translated. Then here, we can go ahead and copy text. This will enable to copy text to clipboard, or better still, we can download the translation. It's that simple. The same way you do for images is the same way you do for document and web page translation. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Translate, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.